Hi guys, this is Rahedin Hussein and welcome to our new tutorial video about Farming X. I have already showed how you can add your profile to our software. In this video I will guide you how you can activate your bulk profile. So let's go. First you have to come create tab, then go to your group where your IDs exist. Now select the IDs and check here active tab, which function, then save config. After saving, click the start button. When you click the start button, all your profile and all your device will getting automated. So let's start. Okay guys, here are twist. If you want some VPN or proxy, you need to go setting and check here under proxy network rotation strategy. Here you can select many options. I don't need any proxy or VPN, so that I select only none. If you want proxy, then you go with proxy surfboard, or if you want OpenVPN configuration, then you can select OpenVPN, or if you want only 111 VPN, then you can select here. I don't need this option, so I cancelled. Or you can see here all our profile getting automated. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial will help you.